This video shows the following basic functions of the DG813 and DG613. Power on. Temperature reference check. Change grade in digit select mode. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on/off the laser. The standard display appears and the temperature reference check will start while the thermometer symbol is flashing. Short press of the E button shows the laser's battery status. Don't enter the menu before the reference check has been finished. The self-leveling is indicated by the flashing bubble vial symbol. Press and release the M, then the E button to change the grade value. A cursor at the sign of the grade value is flashing. Press release the plus or minus button to change the sign of the grade value. Move the cursor with the right-left button and change the digit with the plus-minus button. The laser will self-level to the required grade position after confirming the grade change with the E button.